If you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. I don't work for money, money works for me. Money is one form of power, but what is even more powerful is financial education. Money comes and goes, but if you have the education about how money works, you gain power over it and can begin building wealth. These are the words of Robert T. Kiyosaki in Rich Dad Poor Dad. So, how does one go about understanding how money works? How does one understand money? Maybe if I look at them closely enough, I might understand. If only it were that easy. While formal education is good for shaping a person intellectually and arguably socially, it is not enough to give you the knowledge you need to reach that level of financial understanding and freedom. Even John Locke agrees with this quote. Education begins the gentleman, but reading, good company, and reflection must finish him. This supports the idea that education is not only achieved through formal schooling, but also through continued pursuit of knowledge, learning from knowledgeable individuals, surrounding oneself with good company, reading and learning from various informal sources. So, how do we go about understanding money better and equipping ourselves with the right tools to navigate the complex world of finance? Understanding financial basics. Before a baby learns to walk, he crawls, takes baby steps, and then walks steadily. To start our financial literacy journey, it is crucial to understand the basics. Begin with concepts like budgeting, saving, and the power of compounding. That is, reinvesting your returns or gains to generate additional earnings over time. You can easily gain knowledge from fantastic resources or sources like Investopedia and Khan Academy. These two platforms can offer you beginner-friendly lessons on these topics, that is, investing, compounding, saving, and others. Personal finance apps. Let's talk about some user-friendly apps that can help you manage your personal finances effectively. Apps like Mint can track your spending, set budgets, and provide insights into your financial habits. Although Mint currently supports banks and financial institutions only in the US and Canada, same as some other good apps which according to Forbes Advisor would be good to try out. App like YNAB, you need a budget. This is the best budgeting app for achieving financial goals. Empower Personal Dashboard. This is the best budgeting app for investors. Good Budget. Best budgeting app for budgeting using envelopes opportune. Formerly known as Digit. This app is the best budgeting app for passive saving and investing. Pocket Card. This is the best budgeting app for tracking your spending. Stash. Best budgeting app for getting started with investing. Honeydew. This is the best budgeting app for couples. So if you're a couple, you want to invest, you can try out Honeydew. However, if you live in Nigeria like I do, you should try out Piggyverse or Inflow Finance. Educational platforms. You know knowledge is power, right? Platforms like Coursera, EBS, Udemy, Skillshare, and the rest offer courses on personal finance. You can start by enrolling in courses that cover topics such as investing, retirement, planning, debt management, and what have you. Investing a bit of time in these courses can pay off big in the long run. Yes, it does. And you don't even need to break the bank to do so. For example, you can easily access financial aid on Coursera and EDS. This is speaking based on experience, because I've done some courses, some free courses on Coursera and EDS, and currently I'm still doing some courses on Coursera, and they're free, totally free. The only thing you need to do is apply for financial aid. Okay, before we continue, if you want me to do a video on how to apply for financial aid on this, you can let me know through the comment section, okay, and I will do that. And also on EDS you can also do that, but currently I'm using Coursera. So if you want me to do a video on that, like I said, let me know and I will do a video explaining step by step the way you can go about getting financial aid on Coursera and EDS. So guys, let's continue. Books for financial literacy. If you're a bookworm or not, it doesn't matter. There is a treasure trove of financial wisdom waiting for you. Classics like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Getting Things Done by David Allen, Radical Relevance, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and so many others provide invaluable insights into building wealth and financial success. Investment platforms for beginners. Now, let's talk about taking the plunge into investing. Platforms like Trove, Bamboo Invest, Robinhood, and Acorns. If you are in US, these apps are beginner friendly and offer a low entry point if you want to invest in stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and other securities. Start with small investments, and as you become more comfortable, you can explore other investment avenues. Financial podcasts. Never underestimate the power of podcasts. Podcasts are powerful. There are incredible financial podcasts out there that break down complex concepts in an easily digestible manner. The Dave Ramsey Show, Money for the Rest of Us by J. David Stern, The Money Guy Show hosted by Brian Preston and Bill Hansen, Afford Anything hosted by Paula Pant, Bigger Pockets Money by Mindy Jensen and Scott Strange, and of course, Clark Howard Podcast are great starting points if you want to start with financial podcasts. Financial news outlets. Stay informed about the latest financial news. Websites like Bloomberg and CNBC, Reuters, The Financial Times, Forbes, and The Economist provide real-time updates on market trends. Understanding the financial landscape can empower you to make informed financial decisions. Networking and forums. You can connect with like-minded individuals on financial forums or platforms such as Bubbleheads or Reddit's Personal Finance, Quora, Twitter, engaging in discussions and asking questions, and also providing valuable insights and different perspectives. And there you have it, guys, a comprehensive guide for all you finance newbies out there, including me. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. So, take small steps, stay curious, and never stop learning. Always remember this quote by Confucius: it does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Please, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and frenemies alike, and comment below on your favorite financial resource. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Bye, Jen.